I'm going to be showing you the difference between area and perimeter and how you can solve them for a rectangle. First, we're going to start with area. I'm going to use the rectangle over here on the left to help explain what is area and how do we solve for it. First, what is area? Area is the inside of the shape, how much room it takes up. I just colored in the area of this rectangle. All of this inside part that I just colored in is the area. How do I solve for the area of this rectangle? In order to solve for the area, I will take my dimensions that I have. My length here of 3 feet and my width here of 7 feet, and I will multiply them together. So we can say that for the area of a rectangle, I can multiply my length times my width. And in this case, my length is 3 feet and my width is 7 feet. 7 times 3 is 21. So I have 21 feet squared because I am doing a length and a width, so my area will be squared. We can also write that as 21 feet squared or 21 feet squared. And that's how we find the area of a rectangle. Perimeter is going to be the outside of this rectangle. So all the way around. If I were to build a fence, it would go around the perimeter of this rectangle. So how do I solve for that? Well, I still have my dimensions. I have my length here of 3, and I have my width of 7. So what do I know? I know that the opposite side of this 7 feet, the width here, is also 7 feet. And I know that the opposite side of this rectangle here, the length, is also 3 feet. Now all I need to do is I can add all of my outer dimensions together. I have 3 feet from here plus 7 feet from here plus another 3 feet from here plus another 7 feet from here. I know that 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 3 more is 13, plus 7 more is 20 feet. It is not squared because we are simply counting the outside, so we have 20 feet. Another way we can find the perimeter is, since we have this length here, the 3 feet, and we have this 3 feet, that's the same as saying if we took our length and multiplied it by 2. 2 times our length plus we have our 7 feet here and our 7 feet here. Same as saying our 7 feet twice or our width twice. 2 times our width, and that will give me the perimeter. So therefore, if I multiply 2 times 3 and add that to 2 times 7, that will give me my perimeter. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 7 is 14, and that will equal my perimeter, which is 20 feet. And that is how you solve for both perimeter and area.